When to use Uniswap Subgraph is a question that many developers and users ask when building applications on the Ethereum blockchain. In this guide, we will walk you through the key concepts and practical examples to help you understand when to use Uniswap Subgraph. First, let's start with the basics. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange protocol that allows users to trade Ethereum tokens in a trustless and permissionless manner. The Uniswap Subgraph is a powerful tool that allows developers to query and index data from the Uniswap protocol, making it easier to build applications on top of Uniswap. You should use Uniswap Subgraph when you need to retrieve large amounts of data from the Uniswap protocol, such as transaction history, liquidity pool data, or token prices. The subgraph provides a scalable and efficient way to query this data, making it ideal for applications that require real-time data updates. Another scenario where Uniswap Subgraph is useful is when you need to build a data-intensive application, such as a dashboard or analytics tool. The subgraph provides a simple and intuitive API that allows you to query data and build custom analytics and visualizations. In addition, Uniswap Subgraph is useful when you need to integrate Uniswap data into your existing application or workflow. For example, you can use the subgraph to retrieve token prices and update your application's pricing data in real time. To get started with Uniswap Subgraph, you need to have a basic understanding of GraphQL and the Uniswap protocol. You can start by exploring the Uniswap Subgraph schema and querying data using the GraphQL API. Best practices for using Uniswap Subgraph include optimizing your queries for performance, handling errors and rate limits, and caching data to reduce the load on the subgraph. You should also stay up to date with the latest changes to the Uniswap protocol and subgraph schema to ensure that your application remains compatible and functional. In conclusion, Uniswap Subgraph is a powerful tool that allows developers to build scalable and data-intensive applications on the Ethereum blockchain. By understanding when to use Uniswap Subgraph and following best practices, you can unlock the full potential of the Uniswap protocol and build innovative applications that provide value to users.